The Chevy Silverado EV is the cheapest electric truck with the longest range. It has a 400-mile range, 754 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, and it can tow up to 10,000 pounds. The Multi-Flex midgate allows you to haul items up to 10 feet 10 inches long. Tow up to 10,000 pounds. This is a massive vehicle at 233.1 inches long, 83.8 inches wide, and it still has plenty of legroom. Reserve yours now for $100. This truck will probably sell out. Price may vary with your zip code. Starting MSRP does not include added features.